This is the baseline humidity in the room. Now we will see what happens when the air conditioner is switched on. You can see that it is dropping. From 99 it has dropped to 94. Note that the temperature has not dropped much. There will be some delay probably for the machine or the device to check the humidity, that I won't know. But I have noted this often that if you switch on the air conditioner, humidity will gradually come down. Some time back I had noted it as much faster. Maybe that was not during rainy season. Now it is heavy rains outside most of the time. In those seasons when there was not much of rain, I had seen much more rapid fall in the humidity when you switch on the air conditioner. I just wanted to try it out now also, but the effect is it's not so remarkable as it used to be. Maybe I'll have to try it during another season also, because in rainy season you have so much of humidity in the air, or that's what I presume. Anyway, it has come down from 99 to now it is 92 in a period of about 2 minutes. The clock is also there in the display, so you can find out how much time has elapsed, and temperature display is also there. You can see that there is hardly any drop in temperature, even though I have kept 24 degrees as the temperature setting in the air conditioner, but room temperature will take some more time to drop. Earlier it was 27.1, then it was 27.2, it is now 27.1. I also put the fan on, because without the fan it takes more time for the cool air from the air conditioner to distribute into the room. It's a very small room. Actually this is my radio shack, and it has come down to 89 now. It was always interesting to note this fall in humidity when you switch on the air conditioner. Earlier my feeling was that when the air conditioner